Buying replacement windows can save you money or cost you thousands. Avoid these 10 common mistakes to protect your home and your wallet. From Axiom Eco Homes. Without FENSA or TrustMark registration, you could pay £200 to £400 for a local authority certificate and lose the 10-year insurance-backed guarantee. Choosing C-rated windows over A-rated adds £80 to £120 to your annual heating bill for a typical 3-bed semi. 1 in 5 homeowners who chose the cheapest quote reported defective fitting within 2 years, according to a Which survey. Building regulations require a whole window U-value of 1.6 or lower. Aim for 1.2 or below for better insulation. Since 2022, trickle vents are required in most replacement windows to prevent condensation and mold. FENSA members provide a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee. Always get it in writing after installation. Double glazing with a U-value above 1.6 fails current standards and may hurt a future home sale survey. UPVC lasts 20 to 25 years, timber 30 to 40, aluminium 30 to 45, composite 25 to 35. Get at least 3 quotes and compare the full specification, not just the price, to avoid costly mistakes. The biggest mistake is choosing the cheapest installer without FENSA or TrustMark registration, risking £200 to £400 in fees and up to 5% property value loss. Thinking of replacing your windows? Visit Axiom Eco Homes for expert advice and certified installers.